In this video, we are going to discuss about QNX architecture. So here we will learn about the QNX architecture and how it is different from other architecture. What is the meaning of the QNX architecture? OS system services and what it delivers them. Process and thread models. How the scheduling works. So QNX delivers a standards. It's a based system in a small form factor. Java POSIX 1 and ANSI C++. So traditional real-time executives, it will have all modules will share the same address space and are effectively, these are the big problem. That is same address space will be shared by all the modules. In this QNX architecture, we are having a different address spaces for each and every module. And it's a monolithic architecture. The traditional monolithic kernel, the kernel contains the OL kernel, its functionality and all drivers. So driver development, it's very complex and the debugging is also very. Here in this QNX, applications are processed in protected memory space happen. So the kernel is protected from the applications and applications are also protected from each other, that we can see here. So applications are also protected from each other. So we are having it's a monolithic kernel. So different space we are having this memory manager, network stack, file system, disk driver, serial driver, all these processes are separated. So in the QNX OS, we are having a microkernel. So in the microkernel, that is the kernel is separated from all the process. So we are having different processors that will be separated. The OS consists of the kernel. This kernel is called as the prompt2. It consists of a set of cooperating processes. So all the processes are separated from the kernel. So if something goes wrong in any process or anything, it will not be affect the kernel. So the process will happen like this. So this is the prompt2. It's a microkernel is available here. Here we are having a various processes. So each process will be communicated like this. In this way, it will be communicated. So it will the OS processes and your process cooperate using interprocess communication, and there are a large variety of types of interprocess communications are available. Here the architecture, the microkernel architecture, Pranta is having two architectures, that is said to be neutrino microkernel, and it is reached by the function calls, and it handles threads and IPC. And the second one is the process manager. We can see here it's reached by messages and has a threads to handle the messages, and it primarily handles process and theory. So one is the neutrino, another one is the process manager. So the examples of processes are we can say disk drivers, network stack, character drivers, guide components, bus managers, and system dynamics. So here the architecture means we are having a trade-off. We are having a lot of benefits in the QNX system. It's a resilient and it's a reliable architecture. You have a ease of configuration, and also the important thing is reconfiguration, and debugging is also very easy because each and every process is separated from the kernel, and the ease of development that is also possible. We can develop a small modules and we can combine, and also having a scanner. Cost wise, if you see there, it's a overhead. It's a more contact switches are there, more copies of data are available. So is a summary. QNX is a microkernel architecture OS. Most of the OS services are delivered by cooperating processes. The processes own resources and threads run code, drivers and processes. QNX does preemptive scheduling. Thank you.